Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuition's Math as Fun. So today we are going to take the geometry third part. In that we are going to learn the construction of angles. So construction of angles by the two things are there, by the two, number one by the protractor and number two by the compasses. So first we are going to learn about the what is the protractor. So this is called the protractor. In that there are the, it is another name, it is given the D also, it is given the D also. In that what is given, there are the two sides are written the numbers. One side the number written from the 0 to 180, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and up to the 180. Then from this side also it is written 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and up to the 180. In that 90 is the in middle. How to construct the angle by the protractor, which number, upside number how to take, downside number how to take, which side number we are going to take, this is the big confusion things. So in that to learn the things, whichever we are going to draw the line, which side it is, suppose that line is right side, so you are taking from the downside number. 0, which side is the line, that side you are taking the numbers from that. If line is this side, you are taking the from this side. If line is this side, if line is this side, then you are taking this side numbers. 0, which side is 0, that number you are going to take. Suppose that we are going to construct the numbers by the angle in by the protractor now. Now protractor, suppose that I am going to take the angle, construction of angle is 60 degree. One example, 60 degree it is, we are going to construct the angle. So first of all, to construct the angle, we are going to draw a line, or that is called the ray. Any measurement we taken the line drawn. Now it is has the two end point here, segment. Now I extended it is, means line is this side now in that. Now in the protractor there is the center point. Here it is given the center point, or that is given the 90 degree. Here it is another one. You can see it, it is here given. Now this line I will cover from this one like this. Just cover it. Line should be in line. So here it is the dot, where is the end point, there I completed it, and this. Now we come to know that this line is the this side. Now 60 degree. So which side number I have to take? This side is there, so which side line is there? That side 0. So then that side 0 is here. 0 is here. So I have to take this side numbers, downside numbers I have to take. Means this is the 60. On that 60 degree I can make here dot. Now this dot I will join the, where is the end of this line, or the line range, this side. Then this is called the 60 degree angle, 60 degree. Now we can give the name also, you can give the any name, but vertex always keep in mind that it will be the in the center. Suppose that I given A, B and C, A, B, C. So we can write measurement of angle ABC. This B is the vertex, is equal to 60 degree, this type. Suppose that I want to draw the angle in that 75 degree. 75 degree I want to draw the that angle 75 degree. So 75 degree, first of all we are drawing a line. Drawn a line like this. Suppose that this is the end point here. Again I am taking this side only. Again taking this side only, arrow mark kept. Now again I taken the protractor and I have to make the line in line with the center of this. So here I made it in line. See, it is now, you can see it is in line. This line is, this ray is in line to there. On protractor it is written that one. Now this is the downside number, this side line is there. So that down number means 0 side number we are going to take. It is 70, this is 80. Middle of the 70 and 80, the middle line is there. That is called the 75 degree. Here in that is the 10, 20. In middle is there, that is line, that is the 5 lines. 5. So 10 and 5, 15. 20 and 30 middle is the 25. Like that middle lines are there. Now I will join that. Here dot I made, that one joining with this like this, and it will become the measure of the 75 degree angle. 75 degree. Center angle will be the 90 degree, like that. Now we can give the name, that suppose that P, and here written Q, and here is the R. Suppose another one angle we are taking, the measurement of the angle, measure of my angle RQP. I written ulta because of this vertex have to come in center, so that I taken it like this, is equal to 75 degree. Another one more example taking, suppose that I want to draw the line angle of the 127 degree. 127 degree. I draw a line like this side. Now I am taking this time, I am taking this side arrow mark. Suppose that any side you can take in that. Now again our same rule, we have to make the inline. This side arrow mark means this you are going to, this point you are going to make the inline. This point you are going to make inline in that. So here center, it is inline now. Inline now. Now we are going to construct the angle 129. So this side is the line. So means this number we are taking, this side 0, that we are going to take, and this is the 120, and 129 means 30. 30 minus 1, here 1 number. In middle 1 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 lines are there. In that one line we are counting, then that is a here 20. After that 9 lines counting, then 129. So here the 129 degree we joined the line. This angle is called the 129 degree. 129 degree. A name you can give, suppose that X, Y and Z. So this is the process to make the construction of the angle by the protractor. Now we are going number 2, construction of angle. This is called the compass. In the compass, this is called the fixed point, this is called the movable point. In that movable point, we are fixing first of all the scale or pencil. By the pencil we are making it tightening, and we have to keep in mind that this tip of the fixed point and the movable point should be equal, in that this should be the point of the fixed point and the movable point, movable arm, that should be the equal. Then we are going to construct in that. So first of all, how to construct the angles in that, so we are going to learn in that. We are making the circles in that, half semicircles. First of all, we have to draw the line. For any line we draw, suppose that I am going to draw the 60 degree angle, then I will show you the angle 120 degree, then I am going to show you the first 60, then 120 degree, then 180 degree, then 90 degree, like that angles, and then some tricks on that. So first of all, we are going to draw the line segment 1. Any measurement of line segment taken. Suppose that on this end you want to make, or on this you want to make, you can find out yourself only, whichever it is, same will be that. Suppose that I want to make this line drawn A and B. On A I want to construct the angle, suppose that 60 degree first. So open your compass, how much centimeter you want, that much only open it. But it is proportionate, then it is better. Suppose that this much I want to open it, I kept the on A as a radius, center A as the center, and I drawn a semicircle here drawn, semicircle drawn. Now I am not going to change its radius or the distance. Now I cut it from the where it is cut happens, where on this line it is cut happen here. So on this here only I am going to keep it the fixed point, and I cut it first point. This is where it is cutting, that I made a 1 point here, this point and that I am going to join it, inline it is. So this line I joined, this angle is called the 60 degree angle. First cut you are doing, that is the 60 degree angle. By the protractor we are going to measure it. So first of all, the point you are going to make it inline. After making the inline point, now you can see this is the 60 degree angle here, 60 degree here, 60 degree angle it is. You can give the name, suppose that you written here C. So this is the called measurement of the angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. Like this, suppose that we want to make the 120 degree, then just you are doing the same method, you have to cut it 2 times. We draw a one line segment. On that line segment, suppose that I want to draw the line here 120 degree. So here kept as a center, and it make the point semicircle cut. After that first cut, this first cut is called the 60 degree, first arc. Then it is second cut or second arc, it is the 120 degree. Just joining the point, this and this is called the 120 degree. This angle will become the 120 degree angle. Name you can give. Suppose that we are going to draw the 180 degree or 90 degree angle. So first we are going to draw the 90 degree construction, the 90 degree angle. How to construct? We taken a one, we drawn a one line segment, that is the, suppose that I taken the P and Q line segment or the ray P and Q. On that P I want to construct the, so I taken the compass, I opened how much radius I want to open, that must, suppose that this must taken, I drawn it semicircle on this point. Now first cut, that is you already know, that is 60 degree. Second cut, that is called the 120 degree. From first cut, where is the 60 degree? From there, just upside it is, from upside. And from the second cut on that, that is the upside cut. Middle, where they are cutting the points, here they cut the points, here they cut the points, that is joining this, the two dots, two ends, then it is the 90 degree angle. This is the 90 degree angle, it will become the 90 degree angle. Middle of that, you want to checking, then we can check it out. So like this, we are making the inline it first, then it is the 90 degree angle. Sorry, this is the 90 degree angle here. Now suppose that we are going to make the different angles, we are going to make the 30 degree angle. So 34th that bisector, that is called angle bisector. Angle bisector means how to do any angle we made. Suppose that any angle we made here, any angle we made on this part, we made a one angle, that is the, suppose that 60 degree we made, 90 degree we made, or 120, 180, 40, 60, how much it is. Suppose that 60 degree. Angle bisector we are doing. Angle bisector means where they cut it. First here, from here, it is from the front side, we cut it from 60, we cut it from middle, and this line we are joining, this is called the angle bisector or 30 degree angle. 60 half, 30, 90 half, 45. Like that it will come the angles. So this is called the 30 degree angle. Angle bisector. You can measure it like this. So it is the 30 degree angle. Measurement it will come. It is the 30 degree angle. Thank you.